Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to upload stories on Instagram from PC. This is very easy. The first step is to just go to Google Chrome, and once you in the Google Chrome, here you need to log in. So whatever Instagram you are using, just log in that in Google Chrome, and I will personally suggest you to use Google Chrome here because it will make easy for you to upload stories. So we are going to click on these three dots here, and after you click that you will find more tools, and here you need to click on the developers tool option, or you can access this function by clicking Ctrl+Shift+I. so you can just access it, and if you want to access this more faster, you can just hit F12 key on your keyboard. Then this kind of window will pop up in front of you. Now we need to click on this icon which is called as toggle device toolbar. Click here, and once you click here you need to hit on the refresh button. Click here, and then the Instagram is looking like we are using it on phone. So it is now easy for you to upload your stories. Your story option is now visible. Click here, and once you click here you can easily select the photo or whatever you want to put on your stories. You can just select that. So in my case I'm going to put this photo on my story, so I just have to select it and then hit on open. Okay, the photo is now uploaded on the Instagram. So here I can edit the photo or whatever text I want to put, I can just go that, but here I am giving example, so I will just leave it as it is and just hit on add to your story option. Okay, now the photo is now uploading. So this is how you can upload stories on Instagram from PC, and I hope I was a big help. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.